I'm going to be finding the nth term for each of these sequences. I've got 3 examples here, and I've got a number line here to help you to visualize things a bit better if you need that. Right, for the first one then, obviously you can see there's a pattern here to this sequence. It's going up in steps of 4. So 5 add 4 is 9, 9 add 4 is 13, 13 add 4 is 17. Right, if you don't know that, then just do 9 take away 5, that gives you 4. 13 take away 9, that gives you 4. 17 take away 13, that gives you 4. So actually these are going up in steps of 4. At the moment, I'm not interested in what comes afterwards. I'm just after the nth term. So this is what I do first. I've established that these are going up in steps of 4s. Right, add 4, add 4, add 4. So I write 4n. If these were going up in steps of 10, then I'll write 10n. If these were going up in steps of 3, then I'll write 3n. All right. Now, there needs to be something else after this. Now look at this pattern here. Obviously it's going up in steps of 4. 5 add 4, add 4, add 4. So what goes here? Something add 4 to give me 5. You can do inverse operation, or you can do it in your head. 5 take away 4 is 1. So 1 goes here. Right? 1 goes there. So we write plus 1 because that's a positive 1. Right, let's try another one. This one here. These are going up in steps of 3s. So look, 2 add 3 is 5, 5 add 3 is 8, 8 add 3 is 11. So we write 3n. Now we need to know what comes before the 2. Right? Obviously you do 2 take away 3 to find out what this is. But if you can't visualize this bit here, I'm going to help you by using this number line. All right, just to help you. We've got 2, 5, 8, 11. We've got 2, 5, 8, 11. Hopefully you can see a pattern here. Look, 2, then there's 2 numbers in between. 5, then there's 2 numbers. 8, and then there's 2 numbers. So it needs to be this one circled. Right, so this one, then you've got 2 numbers in between. Yeah, you can see that pattern now. And that number there is -1. So obviously here, that's going to be -1. All right, so -1. Right, for this one, what's happening here? It's going down, isn't it? 7, 2, -3, -8. Seems like it's going down in steps of 5s. So that's take away 5, take away 5, take away 5. Right, if you can't visualize that, let me show you here. So these are going down in steps of 5s. So we've got 7. Then we've got the 2 right there. We've got -3. Extend this a little bit here, -8. Okay. We want to know, first of all, that these are going down in steps of 5. So we write -5n. Just like here, these were going up in steps of 4s, so we write +4n. But because these are going down, we write take away, -5n. I need to know what comes over here now. Right? So if you follow this pattern here, right, you can see numbers start big and it gets smaller and smaller and smaller because we're taking away. So this number here is going to be bigger than the 7, obviously. And we need to find this number. Right? You can do inverse operation, obviously. Opposite of -5 is add 5. So obviously some of you will have straight away thought about this. It's 12. Or if you can't visualize that, if you look at this pattern here, if you look at the patterns here, look, 2, or rather here, look, -3, you got a gap of 4 numbers there. Then you got 2 there, you got a gap of 4 numbers there. You got 7, you got a gap of 4 numbers. It has to be this one, 12. So 12 goes right here. 12 goes there. So we write +12. So you know, if you notice, if I just highlight that, this there over there goes right there, -1 goes right there, that 12, positive 12 goes right there. It's always the number. You have to find the number before the first number. You have to calculate the number before the first number, right, to determine what this bit is going to be, right? And remember, it's 4n over here because it's going up in steps of 4s. It's 3n here because it's going up in steps of 3s. It's -5 here because it's going down in steps of 5. Take away. All right. So just remember that this is the nth. These are the nth terms for these relevant sequences. Now, how is that useful? Right. I can use this, for example, to find the 100th one. Remember, this is the first, second, third, fourth. Right, that one don't care. That was the first, second, third, fourth given to us in the question. Let's say I want to find the 100th one. Well, I'm not going to keep on adding 4, adding 4, adding 4 until the exam finishes. What I'm going to do is replace the n with 100. 4 times 100th plus the 1, that's 401. So the 100th one is actually 401, all right? And similarly, let's say I want to find the 20th one. That's the first, second, and I want to find the 20th term, right? I don't want to keep on adding 3. So what I can do is replace the n with 20 and then take away 1. That will be 60, take away 1, 59. The 20th one is 59. And you can do something similar with this as well, but careful, you need to know how to multiply negative numbers. If you're wondering how to work out similar sort of thing for non-linear sequences, i.e. when the numbers are not going up in equal steps, I've already created a video on that.